Hello, today we're going to integrate outcomes to existing assignment rubrics. First, we'll try to align an outcome through an assignment. To do this, please go to Assignments, go on to the desired assignment link. Once you are in the assignment, you're going to see that at the very bottom, you have this rubric, Add Rubric button. I already have a rubric prepared for my 200-point essays. So I'm going to use that one. 200-point essay rubric. This looks pretty good. I'm going to say use this rubric. Then at the bottom of the rubric, as you can see, I already added my sample outcomes, but I'll show you how to do it one more time. I'm going to say edit. This time, rather than editing the rubric, I'm going to say find outcome. As you can see, I have several outcomes. I already have these first two added, so I'm going to add the third outcome. And if I'm going to use this to score, add to the total points of my rubric, I can say use this criterion for scoring. But at this time, I want my rubric to remain 200 points. So I'm going to uncheck this button so that it does not add the 2 points that the SLO assignment has. However, I will still be able to test these outcomes to collect data about my students. Once I click import, you're going to see that now I have all the SLOs I need to assess my final essay of the semester. I'm going to say it's to 200 points, so use this rubric for assignment grading. I will update the rubric, and now I need to make sure I haven't added those additional SLO points. I would be able to go to SpeedGrader once I publish this assignment, and I would be able to give points to my students. The mechanics are good, the MLA is pretty okay. The sample at the first SLO exceeds, the second SLO meets. For our purposes, we will have a different SLO grading system. But this is just to show you how to add your rubric, SLOs to existing rubrics. Once you hit save, you're going to see that the assignment grade is given to the student automatically. And once I go to my student grading mastery book, I will be able to see their outcomes. The second way to add outcomes is through the rubric manager, and you're going to see that the rubric manager is again on the navigation bar right here. Once you click your rubrics, you would be able to find the rubric that you wanted to work on, right? And you would follow the same steps to add the additional outcomes by editing and finding the outcomes. And finally, you would have to find this rubric and attach it to an assignment in order to grade your outcomes as well as your essays. Thank you.